Welcome to High Format. This is our Pro Series video on our Kodah Wall collection. The Kodah collection is one of High Format's most versatile wall systems. Each block is textured on the front and back with one of 24 authentic stone faces, giving your wall the natural and linear look of snapped limestone. The Kodah line is engineerable and can be installed in a variety of applications, including freestanding seat walls, garden walls, columns, or structural retaining walls. With a finished top on each block, you have the option to set the wall as is or install coping if you choose. The Kodah Wall system simply contains our wall pallets and corner pallets. The Kodah Wall pallet contains 18 blocks and 4 different block lengths. Each block is tapered 1.5 inches from front to back to allow for construction of gentle curves. Each 6-inch tall block ranges from 12 inches to 42 inches in length and 50 to 200 pounds in weight. Each pallet weighs roughly 2,500 pounds and contains 20 to 21 face feet of coverage, depending on if the product is used in a freestanding or retaining wall application. Make sure to have a plate compactor, shovel, rake, and level to get started on your project. Depending on your site and your job, you may need geotextile fabric, perforated drain pipe, and geogrid. When preparing a base for Kodah Wall, High Format recommends a minimum 6 inches of angular stone for your leveling pad, compacted in lifts. Each project has unique site conditions, so please refer to ASTM standards for local ordinances for your specific site. For additional resources, please see the design and install page at highformat.com. Kodah Wall block can be used in a freestanding application with interlocking tapers or a retaining wall application using only the long face of the block to maximize square footage. A rubber mallet is a great tool to have on site for small leveling adjustments. Once your base course is set, continue to stack block while making sure not to align vertical joints. While we have preliminary engineering up to 8 feet, it is important to contact an engineer for any structural retaining wall projects. A manual 3/4 inch setback for each course is what is recommended for a retaining wall application. As you continue to backfill, be sure to fill in the voids created by the block tapers behind the wall. Please refer to our tech guide or online resources for additional information on using GeoGrid and other preliminary engineering assets. Kodah Wall can be used in a straight or curved wall design. Using all sizes, the minimum radius for concave or convex Kodah walls is 8.5 feet. Additional information can be found in our tech guide or on our website. Kodah corner pallets contain 2 separate corner blocks with altering tapers to align with other Kodah Wall block. Each Kodah corner pallet contains 24 blocks, roughly 100 pounds per block, totaling a pallet weight of 2,500 pounds. Corner blocks can be used to construct columns, provide a finished end on a freestanding wall, and to make a 90-degree corner on walls. Corner blocks are finished on 3 sides, while the 4th side is tapered to fit into the wall block. 1 pallet of corner blocks will create a 32 by 32 column standing 36 inches tall without a cap. To construct a column, place 4 Kodah corners with the same taper facing the center of the column. Level the blocks as you would any base course. To continue, place another 4 corners with opposite tapers facing the center of the column, essentially rotating vertical joints. Continue with subsequent rows until you've reached your desired column height. You can finish our columns with our 34-inch column cap. A A few other helpful tools on site would include a transit or leveling device, a string line, cut-off diamond blade saw, landscape adhesive. There's also several great vacuum and lifting devices out there that work well with Kodah. For any job, big or small, thank you for considering high format in our Kodah Wall system for your next project. Please contact a sales rep if you have any additional questions. Thank you and have a great day.